study English! Yay!
Do you like surprises? Surprise! Sometimes, if it's like a birthday cake, that's a good surprise, I guess. If it's a present, that's really nice. Some surprises, though, are things that we didn't expect, and they're not always good. So, I guess a surprise can be good or bad, depending on what it is. The expression to spring something on someone is an expression that means you boing something on them. Basically, it means you give them something unexpected. Give them a surprise. Sometimes that surprise is good and sometimes it's bad. Don't forget that the word spring is sometimes a noun. It's like after winter, spring. Sometimes it is also a verb. And so to conjugate the verb, we say spring, sprang, sprung. An example of a bad surprise would be the boss sprang a meeting on us just before lunch today. We didn't want that meeting. It was a bad surprise. An example of a good surprise might be David sprang a wedding proposal on Kate while they were on the cruise. In this case, the surprise was boing, was a good one. It was a wedding proposal. To spring something on someone can be a good thing or a bad thing, but in any case, it's surprise, something unexpected. Thumbs up for the video today, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!
スーザンと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!